Hello and welcome to 3 Minute Thursdays, where we put 3 minutes on the clock, I show you our rates, and then I sell you on using Intent Mortgage. So let's get right into those rates. You notice this week, yet again, we are lower across the board than the national average, and that's not an accident. In fact, that ties into today's story. You see, I used to actually be a higher price lender. I worked at another larger mortgage bank here locally, and on every deal, I made a full 2%. That means if I closed a $300,000 deal, I made $6,000. And while that was almost justifiable when I got into this business 10 years ago, it's definitely not the case anymore, because back then, loans were extremely difficult to do. But now your loan and your loan are infinitely easier for me to get done. And so those higher profit margins just aren't justifiable. So I looked into it, and I looked into our pricing, and I said, hey, if I lower my compensation, can I be more competitive with the low price lenders in our market? And in the end, I found out that I could lower my compensation all the way down to zero. And I still wouldn't be competitive with the lower price people that are in our market. So I went into the executives at that company and I said, hey, this is the problem I'm running into. And the only solution I see is for you to drop your margins to make us more competitive. But in the end, they decided that wasn't worth it for them. In fact, they didn't believe that you were even shopping your loans. So the interest rates to them didn't even matter. And so it's because of that we've spent the last however many months putting together what we now know as Intent Mortgage, because we do believe that the interest rates really matter, because in the end, a mortgage is a mortgage is a mortgage, and all you have is your rates. So you're going to want to shop me before you commit to doing a mortgage with somebody else, and even if you have already started the process with them, give me a call anyway. Let's see if we can save you some money and still close you on time. Pretty sure I've got some time left on the clock. We'll see you next time.